high humidity levels. Tomorrow looks partly sunny, hot and humid. Temperatures well into the 90s, feeling more like 100 degrees plus. And then into the evening tomorrow, while most of the activity looks to stay to our north, excuse me, chance of a few isolated showers and storms possible. I jump right ahead to the 7-day forecast because we're looking at the chance of some showers and storms Friday evening. Saturday, a couple little spotty showers around. It's not enough for a washout, but it stays warm and humid through the entire weekend. Okay?
Well, it's hot, Chels. We know that. That's for sure. Heat advisory has been issued for most of southern New England today and tomorrow. Here's where you can beat the heat in Providence. Water Park